Yep. So as you can see, the market has clearly gone down in the one direction, expecting to reverse from here. And let's see what's gonna happen. And this is for the Nasdaq, and for the US 30, these are my levels. This is my resistance area. This is my support. I guess today we can trade in this 30. There's a lot of fair value gap here. That is my concern. And fair value gap here. Nasdaq fair value gap can be targeted. The Nasdaq, backed into this area. This was the level. This was the level. Then this is my levels. Let's see what's gonna happen. Into the first. Yeah, so the market is open in like almost 1 minute 30 seconds. Let's see. Oh, market is crashing. अरे भाई क्या हो रहा है? ओए ओए ओए, नास्डैक ने ये क्या करा? नास्डैक? हाँ, मेरा यही रेजिस्टेंस है. मैंने लेवल चेंज करे, पता ही नहीं क्या? रेजिस्टेंस को तोड़ दिया. अरे यार थक गया हूँ ब्रो मैं. इशारे धीरे धीरे. Just 1 minute more, guys. Who knows? This is our Nasdaq, and this is our DG. 1 point. Let's see, guys. What's gonna happen? If I see the clear level would be these zones. So let's see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna wait 10 seconds after the market opens. So, okay, 20 seconds. It can open a new chart there. Okay. This 30s. Okay, now. Okay, yesterday gave us a retracement. Let's say Nasdaq is clearly gone. Nasdaq is clearly gone there. I need some kind of second push from the entry would be there. Getting this liquidity up here. And Nasdaq is gone, guys. Nasdaq is already gone. Still okay. There's a lot of pending liquidity down there. It's John Wick, guys. Yes, you can see John Wick. The DAX does the same today, and still it's Goes up. Oh, the candle flipping. It's a great sign. The US. Okay. I'm on sell zone US 30. I'm in sell zone US 30. Let's see if the target is achievable or not. Don't tell me it's gonna John Wick both of the side and just make my $226, guys. Easy peasy money and exited that trade. That's how you're gonna trade, guys. See, now it's gonna retrace. That's that's how you wanna trade, guys. That's how you wanna trade. Okay, that's that's it for the today. Bye.